Welcome to the English Mastery Academy. In today's video, we are going to learn some polite and pleasing words that you can use in your daily conversations. These words will help you sound more respectful and make your interactions smoother. Let's get started. First, let's look at some common pleasing words. 1. Please. The word please is used to make a polite request. It shows respect and consideration. Example 1. Please hand me the book. Example 2. Can you please open the window? Example 3. Please give me a moment. 2. Thank you. Thank you is a simple way to express gratitude and appreciation. It shows that you value the help or service you received. Example 1. Thank you for your help. Example 2. Thank you for coming to the meeting. Example 3. Thank you so much for the gift. 3. You're welcome. When someone says, thank you, the polite response is, you're welcome. It acknowledges their appreciation. Example 1. You're welcome, I'm glad I could help. Example 2. You're welcome, it was my pleasure. Example 3. You're welcome, feel free to ask if you need anything else. Next, let's talk about some words you can use when you need to apologize or be polite in uncomfortable situations. 4. Sorry. Sorry is a way to apologize when you make a mistake or cause any inconvenience. Example 1. I'm sorry for the delay. Example 2. Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt. Example 3. Sorry for the confusion. Let me explain. 5. Excuse me. Excuse me is a polite way to get someone's attention or to politely interrupt. Example 1. Excuse me, could you tell me where the library is? Example 2. Excuse me, I have a question. Example 3. Excuse me, may I pass through? 6. Pardon. Pardon is used when you don't hear something properly and want it repeated or as a polite apology. Example 1. Pardon, could you repeat that? Example 2. Pardon me for interrupting. Example 3. Pardon, I didn't catch what you said. Now, let's look at some expressions that are used to be courteous in social situations. 7. After you. After you is a polite gesture, often used when you want to let someone go ahead of you. Example 1. After you, please. Example 2. Oh, after you, I insist. Example 3. You go first, after you. 8. Allow me. Allow me is a polite way of offering help or assistance. Example 1. Allow me to carry that for you. Example 2. Allow me to get the door. Example 3. Allow me to show you the way. 9. Kindly. Kindly is a formal way to make requests politely. Example 1. Could you kindly close the door? Example 2. Kindly take your seats. Example 3. Kindly send me the details at your earliest convenience. Here are some additional useful polite phrases that you can use. 10. It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure is a polite response to thank you, and it emphasizes your willingness to help. Example 1. It's my pleasure to assist you. Example 2. It was my pleasure to help out with the project. Example 3. It's my pleasure to be of service. 11. No problem. No problem is a casual way to say that something was not an inconvenience, often used in response to thank you. Example 1. No problem, I'm happy to help. Example 2. No problem, let me know if you need anything else. Example 3. No problem, feel free to reach out anytime. 12. That's all right. That's all right is used when someone apologizes, and you want to say that the apology is accepted. Example 1. That's all right, don't worry about it. Example 2. It's all right, I understand. Example 3. That's all right, no harm done. 13. May I? May I is a polite way of asking for permission. Example 1. May I borrow your pen? Example 2. May I come in? Example 3. May I ask you a question? Conclusion. Now that you know these polite and pleasing words, try to use them in your daily conversations. They will help you sound more respectful and make your interactions more pleasant. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to English Mastery Academy for more useful content to improve your English fluency. If you want to learn more, choose any video here or visit our channel for unlimited learning.